Hey man, what you driving?
1964 Dodge Dart GT.
1964 Dodge Dart GT.
Yeah. Originally came from the factory with a 273 V8, then replaced with a 340. The car came from California. Been completely done over.
Completely done over.
Yeah. New disc brakes in the front.
How long have you had it?
7 years.
7 years.
Yeah. Changed out the rear end, put a 8 3/4 rear end with sure grip in it. 323 gears. Original push button shifter. All rebuilt. Completely redone interior.
Completely redone?
Yep.
Yeah, I was looking at the interior. Very, very nice. Very, very, very nice. And I seen the Mopar steering wheel as well.
Yeah.
You gotta look at that.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, it's an aftermarket steering wheel.
So you had the car for 7 years. If you don't mind me asking, how much did you pay for the car?
The car?
Yeah.
Originally? $5,000.
$5,000.
That's it. Yeah.
Wow. And you put a nice amount of work.
Many more dollars into it. Yeah.
Nice amount of work into it. It's one of my favorite colors, purple.
That's a 2010 Plum Crazy Purple.
Plum Crazy?
Yep, that's Dodge Plum Crazy Purple. Yeah.
Nice. Nice. And what do you think it's valued at today?
I have it valued at $39,000
Nice.
with the insurance company.
Nice. This is a great car, man. Appreciate the interview.
You're welcome.
Sure. Nice.
Stay tuned for more episodes of
Hey Man, What You Driving?